Hey, good morning. This is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Thanks for the opportunity to get you some estimates on the gutter cleaning. I'm glad that I was in the area to be able to get you some maintenance suggestions, options. I did get a chance to walk around the house. We use video to more effectively communicate with our customers. Everybody's busy, different time schedules. So in this video, I'll kind of walk around, talk about what we would suggest and what you can benefit from, and then create you what your home needs at this time after 10 years. So go ahead and flip the camera around here. So beautiful home, Crystal Lake. Let's go ahead and start talking about what's happening here. So your copper flashings here on the front and the right side are going through their normal patina, and so that looks good. Looks like the house is maintained well. Trees are trimmed away from the front here. Noticing something in the valley over here. I'm not sure if it's a shingle or what it is, but it's right there. I think that needs to come out. So that'll be part of a gutter cleaning service. Outdoor window cleaning could be a process we could do for you. Get the windows shined up, mold, mildew, dirt, spider webs, and bug guts removed from all of that, and get them shined up. The sun is fading some of your siding here. So just so you're aware, when we wash, we don't really mess around with the sun faded oxidation. So you can see that if I was to put my hand on here, it's taking away a layer of chalkiness. So that can be removed. You're going to have to use a specialized oxidation removing chemical. Let it dwell, power wash the siding, and it'll restore. But you know, over time, it'll eventually happen again until there's no more paint left for the sun to fade away. So oxidation restoration isn't one of our more popular services. Definitely have the possibility to do it. And it's only on select areas throughout the house where it's completely obvious. On the north side of your home here, I would suggest for us to do a little bit of maintenance on the shingles. Get the organic growth off of the shingles there. So even though you may have, I'm going to get a drone out here in a minute, even though you may have a shingle that'll last you 50 years or whatever, you know, normal tune-up and maintenance is suggested. I'm noticing a few areas where we'll have a few nail pops that could be benefited from pounding down. See those shingles starting to lift up in a few spots. The valley here looks pretty solid except for a couple spots I'd like to see flatter. So Multi-Man Services, we're home based out of Beloit, Wisconsin, and we service the Lake Geneva, Rockford, Woodstock, Elgin areas. And know that this is really all we do is exterior maintenance, restoration. You can see how the copper is patinaing over time. It's doing its thing. So good to go there. The siding wash, I would say we could start on the deck there. Get all this organic growth off the shingles over here too. The way we wash a roof is similar to the way we washed your neighbor's roof. Brad across the street. Soft wash, we apply an algicide, let it dwell, let the cleaner do the work. There's no high pressure. The detergent eradicates and kills any organic living matter within your shingles. And then we can finalize by doing a gentle detergent siding wash. Get your gutters cleaned out there. So check out the drone photos of your roof from the sky, and also pick the options that best make sense down below. Look forward to working for you, and my cell, I'm available to walk you through any options. 815-520-6020. Thank you.